Hello, Aux families. My name is Becky Young, and I am the Learning Specialist at Aux and we cannot wait to meet with you for parent-teacher conferences in November. We have some changes this year, and we hope that this video helps you with the process. First, you have the option of remote or in-person conferences. The remote conferences are November 1st, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m., and November 2nd, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. The in-person conferences are November 1st, 5:30 p.m. to 8 p.m., and November 2nd, 8 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. You will receive directions to sign up for conferences either electronically with links or on paper with QR codes that can be scanned with your phone's camera. There will be a list of the teacher's conference scheduling links that you will need to open. You will see a list of all the teachers' names, and each of their names are hyperlinks that will take you to their calendar. From this list, select one of your students' teachers. When you click on the link for one of your students' teachers, you will see a view very similar to what you're seeing here, where there will be different appointment slots that are able to be clicked on. Since we're using Google Calendar, you will have to have a Google account to view the calendar. So when you clicked on it, if it popped up with this and it asked you to sign in, if you do have a Google account, please go ahead and sign in. But if you don't, you have the option to have your student use their school Google account to sign in, or you can create a Google account. And you can actually link that to your existing email account, even if it's not a Google account. The link to create a Google account is on these directions that you've received from the school, but you can also access it when you click on one of the calendar links. Right here, it says create account. You can click on that and you can say for myself, and it will ask you to enter in some information, and you can actually use your current email address that is not a Gmail as your Google account. After you have signed in, you will be able to see the open appointment slots for that teacher. You will see that some of the appointment slots are labeled as remote conferences. Some are going to be in-person conferences. Select the day and time and type of conference that works for your schedule and enter in the information that is requested. In this case, it's a student's name, the class period, and the names of the adults attending. When you have done that, go ahead and click Save. This will appear on your Google Calendar and also the teacher's calendar. So if we go over here to the calendar, it is now on my Google Calendar as a parent, and I'll be able to see that information. To schedule additional conferences, return to the conference sign-up sheet and select the other teachers that you need to meet with and follow the same process that you just did. For in-person conferences, simply come to the school and visit the teacher during your set time that is shown on your Google Calendar. If you selected a remote conference, the teacher will add a Google Meet link to the calendar event before November 1st. To join the remote conference, please open up Google Calendar, the link is on the directions, and navigate to the event. When you click on it, you are going to see a large blue Join with Google Meet button. Click that button when you're ready to join the remote conference. When you have it open, Google Meet may ask for your permission to allow access to your video and microphone, and please do so. If you're joining by phone, you may want to download the Google Meet app from the Apple Store or the Play Store prior to the conference. You can also use your phone to call into the conference without video. Once you have clicked Join with Google Meet, you will have to click Ask to Join. This is an extra security layer where the teacher will be able to admit only those invited to the conference. Once the teacher's ready and has verified your name, they will admit you into the meeting and the conference can begin. If you are new to Google Meet, here's a really quick introduction. When you are in the meeting, you will see a few buttons on the bottom of the screen. There's a video and a microphone icon. If they are red with a line over them, like they are here, that means they're not on. To turn them on, simply click those buttons. To change your view, you can unpin your video. So this would be your video down here, and this would be the teacher, the person you're having a conference with. But you can pin and unpin the different videos depending on what you want to see. To leave the conference, simply click the Hang Up button. If you're having technical issues, you can go into the settings, and which are found in the three dots here. You can go into settings and you can change which microphone you're using and speakers that you're using and the video as well. If you are still having issues, one of the things you can do is try to update Chrome by going to the three dots right up here, right below the X in Chrome. If you click on the three dots and then go down to Settings, and then what you want to do on the left-hand side, click Privacy and Security. You'll see a blue button that says Check Now, and you can check now, and it's going to go through and it's going to check if you have any updates to Chrome. If it does, it will ask you to relaunch Chrome and try that to see if that fixes it. You're also welcome to contact the school too so that we can help you. We hope this process will go smoothly and that you have productive conferences with your students' teachers. Please let us know if you have any questions or need further assistance scheduling your conferences. We hope to see you in November, either in person or online.